This guide will advise you on how to place an order on the Probrand Procurement Platform. You can navigate to all areas of the platform from this homepage. If you know the part code of a specific product or would like to make a general search, you can enter this in the search bar. Alternatively, you can search for the relevant product via the categories on the IT products table. To narrow down your search, you can filter by several categories, such as your preferred manufacturer or storage requirements. You can also sort the results depending on your preference, for example to see items with the highest stock levels. If you don't need to look at the extended product specification, you can add the product straight to your basket from this tile. For further information about the product, click here to be taken to the product page. The product page will provide you with the extended spec information to help you make sure the product will fit your requirement. You can then add the product to your basket. Once added, you can easily navigate to the basket to review your items. From the basket, you can review your product quantity, as well as having the option to save your items as a quote if you are not ready to place the order just yet. Once you are happy, you can then proceed to checkout. Before you confirm your order, you can alter your delivery options depending on your requirements. Probrand operates on invoice for purchases, so you will need to input your purchase order number before you place your order. Once your order has been placed, you will be sent a confirmation email. You will also be able to see all of your orders on your account, including tracking and delivery information. If you have any queries regarding your order, please feel free to reach out to your account manager.